And, yeah. Hi. That was, like, last year in May. Like, something really bad happened at, like, my sister's clinic around then. And, like, the night of the accident, my sis was totally tired while she was driving. I was, like, totally pooped too, so I, like, just did it in the passenger seat because
Ew,
I
pooped in the passenger seat.
No, I fell asleep.
Ow.
I, like, woke up because of a jolt, and, like, it was a sea of flames around me. I, like, opened the door and got away. Like,
Got away?
yes.
I think I've heard of this incident.
It was all the talk on the tabloid shows day after day last year.
Yes, and there was talk about Dr. Gray drugging your sister.
Those were merely rumors. Totally baseless gossip.
Yes. Mr. Wright, ask question. Now, please. Right now, it's impossible to prove that Dr. Gray, in fact, did drug it.
Yeah. Which means I'll have to work this from another angle.
Hold on a second.
Alright. One. We'll take the bread to
Okay. Let's continue. Let's just press. So.
Yes, let's press the press button.
Why did I read that as last year I was May? Miss May.
Wait a minute! Last year she was April May!
Exactly! And that did happen a year ago. I don't know when exactly.
That lie. Her overall stupidity, her voice.
Wait. Okay. Didn't some sort of medical malpractice happen at your sister's hospital then? Yeah, like, that was in May too. Like, the thing with all the patients dying was like May 2nd on Raymer's birthday. Because Raymer is cursed. And, like, our accident was, like, on the 24th. 2 accidents back to back. Do you assume it's just a coincidence? My sis was, like, totally tired, so that's why, duh.
You're, like, totally, like, not smart.
That was the malpractice incident where 14 patients died on Raymer's birthday, correct? Yeah. What was the cause of the mistake? Like, I heard it was because the medicines, like, got mixed up. That was the fault of your sister, Mimi Miney? Like, no way. Dr. Gray, like, wanted to blame it on my sis. That incident has nothing to do with our murder here. Besides, the police report has already documented that it was entirely Mimi Miney's fault. Out of the corner of my eye, I read that it was Maya's fault. And I was gonna say, that's literally why we're here. Which means, as far as the real facts are concerned, Mimi Miney is the one who made the mistake. But, like, it really wasn't my sis. And, like, the night of the accident, my sis was totally tired while she was driving. Wait. Oh, wait. Wait.
This line.
Here's a picture. I don't know if that was... No, this is just what Dr. Hottie took. No. She was totally tired? You mean exhausted? Like, she had to talk to the police, and she was being investigated, like, every day. It was like a totally terrible situation. It's no wonder then that the car accident happened, huh? So then, why didn't you ask to switch places? Huh? Like, what are you talking about? I mean, switch drivers. If your sister was so tired, then you should have switched with her.
True.
But like, I don't, like, have a driver's license. There we go.
Finally, the one lie we need.
Well, that was,
Eventful.
yes. This is news to me. I was not aware you didn't have your license, Miss Miney.
Miss May, please attend your test.
Attend? Please attend your own testimony. Like, okay. Anyway.
Ah! Man. Here we go.
Wait, but did she say, okay, where's the part about her driver's license, though? Where do I present this? Why were you in the passenger seat? You poop! You were told to amend your testimony! Where was it? Is it, like, somewhere else? And... oh, here we go. Miss Miney, that was a lame lie just now. Like, what do you mean? I know you had a license back then. This is a photo you took for the express purpose of getting a driver's license, which I just took today. I have my permit now. I passed the test.
I do have permit as well.
Yes. I'm now one step closer to driving than Phoenix.
What's the meaning of all this, Miss Miney?
She could have just said she was, like, really tired, too. Why did she try to say she didn't have... That's right. Yeah, I had, like, a license, but I didn't get it until after the accident.
Lie!
You just... No, you had it. Yes, you... You didn't get it until after the accident. You mean you... After getting into a car crash... Decided,
You know what would be a good idea?
let me just get up from my hospital bed and do my driver's test. Like, what? You had it at the time of the accident. Director Hottie, or the guy pretending to be him anyway, said so. What are you talking about? That perverted fake clinic director? Yes, That perverted fake clinic detector. A disgusting guy who would not... No one cares! Witness, when did you just receive your driver's license? Like, last November.
Oh no, Phoenix hair is crying again.
Wait. What? November. It's June. Wait, so if it's June and she got out of the hospital from a car crash like half a year ago. What?
No, don't tell me this means he had to go back
What do you mean?
to that place and get some sort of proof or evidence of stuff.
Not unless there's another, investigation. Hopefully not, though. I don't think... The accident happened last May. That's half a year lapse in time, Mr. Phoenix Wright. What in the...
No, that's right. Happened. At the time the accident was, Lady did not have a driver's license.
Ow. Does it, like...
No, the description of that is just no.
What?
The description of her photo is just no.
Yeah. Try and my whip will accommodate. What?
Anyway, without a license, the witness and her sister could not have switched drivers.
Yes, but all we have is her word. Can we, like, see her driver's license to get this confirmed or something?
Good
Like,
point. Then we'd be able to, it would have a date on it, right?
yeah. What? I'm, like, glad you get it, but, like, even if I had my license, I, like, don't think my sis would, like, let me drive. Yow.
Don't just stand there and to yourself.
Not you too, Mia. With the whip and the pain and the ow. Wait, what? Mia has a whip? What?
Why?
Oh, what? First of all, why would Mia have a whip? Second of all, why would Mia use that whip on Phoenix for thinking?
That's what she uses her annoying inspirational Tumblr quotes for.
Yeah, you have your annoying inspirational Tumblr quotes, Mia. You don't need a whip. Who needs a whip when you have annoying inspirational Tumblr quotes?
Yeah.
Anyways.
Yes, my name. Why do you think you would not have been allowed to drive anyway?
That's because...
I think this situation calls for a more detailed testimony, Miss Mooney, if you please.
Like, how annoying. Oops, like, sorry. Didn't mean to be mean. What? Nah, but... Sure you didn't. Like, around that time, I was, like, really close to getting my license. My sis was, like, this totally big fan of cars, and, like, really valued them. She, like, had just gotten a shiny, bright red sports car. She, like, would say things like, "No way am I letting a noob drive my car." So, like, that's why I ended up in the passenger seat that night, too.
I see.
Same, Judge.
For sports. What? Sure. Now then, the fence mate question.
I'm not terribly knowledgeable about cars, but...
No, you're awfully knowledgeable.
I was...
terribly knowledgeable at all.
Okay.
English is weird like that.
And that was when the accident occurred, correct? Like, yeah. I, like, immediately reached for the passenger side door and fled, like, in a daze.
Sounds like you had a terrifying time. There's something very big here, and it's going to be hard to break apart such a natural-sounding testimony. Now we're gonna have to attack it, and by doing so, a flaw will show it. So, it has to!
Do you really think so?
Well,
No! Mia almost sounded like a prophet for a second there. Like always.
You didn't let me finish my inspiration.
Yeah, I know.
I will finish it now.
No, you will
Because you
not.
are the plan.
I am not listening to you. I will make you turn back into Pearl, and then she is going to see what we're saying about her mom, and then she is going to cry, and it's going to be all your fault because you were the one annoying me with Tumblr quotes.
You have a point, I'll stop.
Exactly.
For now.
Okay. She valued cars? How much would you say she valued her car? Well, like, she'd flip out at, like, a drop of rain. You stupid drop of rain messing up the paint job on my car! Just who do you think you are?
I am a drop of rain. I am falling like from the sky to like.
No, you are not! You.
Bro.
No, you change your path immediately.
I don't think I can do that. Like there's this thing called gravity, and
I am going to tell my boss about you, and he is going to come and smack you right out of that sky.
I don't think that's possible.
He hates the weather that much. He can do that.
Oh my goodness, I'm so scared. I'm just gonna keep falling.
No, you are not.
What are you gonna do? Raise me?
Yes.
And that's just gonna cause more damage.
No, I'm going to freeze you and then catch you. And then break you on the ground.
And then just be tomorrow man, and then I'll just evaporate and turn into more rain.
No, you will not. I will make sure that you cannot evaporate. I will take all of the water in the world and I will trap it so that none of it could ever get on my car ever again.
So, like, are you gonna, like, try to, like, steal, like, the ocean?
Yes. I tried to do that last week, but the blue lady that I went to refused to help me.
You mean, like, that lepus?
What is a lepus?
Like, I don't know, but, like, I'm pretty sure, like, I heard it somewhere, and I'm pretty sure, like, there was, like, this news article about this, like, thing trying to steal, like, the ocean. They don't know what it was.
I
Just,
think-
like, was stealing the ocean.
You're close though. Their name was, I think, Lupus. It's a rock.
Like the days.
Lupus is a rock. I tried to tell someone about that today, and they said, I don't know how you made it as a doctor. But I was like, what does that have to do with the doctoring?
Like, oh my goodness, I stayed in the air, like, for so long. I feel like this sun is, like, gonna cause me to evaporate now, so, like, goodbye.
This is stupid.
I, like, almost, like, forgot to fall, so I'm just gonna, like, leave now. Goodbye.
Police! A raindrop just fell on my car! Arrest it!
No, it, like, didn't. Like, it kind of, like, just floated away. It's, like, right
Oh,
there.
never mind. False
It's
alarm.
already.
It's okay. Anyways, let's move
What's
on.
that?
I don't know.
We are not sorry.
No.
Anyway.
You asked for it. You were the one who clicked on this video.
Yeah. And like, and it's your line.
What? Hi? What? Oh, I...
Yeah.
And
Please
like...
stop. Please stop.
No, I was so focused
Your
on the
ear-
rain
your
conversation
raindrop,
thing.
please continue.
And like, she would notice if someone like touched the car door with dirty hands. In that case, why bother taking a car out of the garage ever?
It's a garbage.
In that case, why take out the garbage?
No, then why bother to take the car? Then why bother to take the car out of the garbage anyway?
Why did she take such special care of the car? How can you say that? It was a brand spanking new car. New car? Like, you wouldn't want to, like, get it dirty, would you, Mr. Lawyer? I would think that car's getting dirty is just another fact of life, but I guess people who really love cars think otherwise. We're going to end it here. Thanks for watching. Pharaoh.
Sarah. What just happened?
Pharaoh!